Oh my goodness. Just look. So cute. I don't even want to unwrap it. It says filled with warmth and love. Oh my gosh. I'm going to cherish this. Wow, Mary, you really outdid yourself. I am so grateful for your gift. I am so grateful to have met you. Thank you so much, Mary. I'm participating in my first ever exchange on YouTube. It's a part of a collaboration. It is a sock and Christmas card exchange that I am doing with quite a few other channels here on YouTube. I will leave the playlist of all the channels. You can go and check that playlist out and see what everybody gave each other. I got partnered up with Mary Christopherson. I will leave her channel link also in my description box. And here is the package that she sent me. As you can see, there's already a sneak peek over there. It already looks so adorable, and that's where I have removed the addresses, and just look how she put that, so cute. Even the little tag right there says just for you. How adorable. All right, so let's open it up. And the collaboration was set on giving a pair of socks. It was a $10 limit to stuff the socks if you chose to stuff the socks, and to attach a Christmas card. Oh my goodness. Just look. So precious. Oh my goodness. And it's got some weight to it, Mary. What did you do? Look at that tag. Look at that bow. Oh my gosh. So cute. I don't even want to unwrap it. The tag says to Mary Lou from Mary C. And the sticker on it has a rolling pin and a spoon, and it says filled with warmth and love. Aww. Alright, so we'll start off with the Christmas card. It says Merry Christmas to Mary Lou from Mary C. with a heart. Oh my goodness, look at how cute that card is. Aw, Mary. And the card says, hope Santa brings all your favorite things. Hugs, Mary with a heart. And she got me a little note. 1 second, I need to go get my glasses. Okay, now I can read. It says, Mary Lou, hope you enjoy this swap. I didn't put your gifts in the socks. I didn't either. Was worried some would stretch them. I have enjoyed getting to know you. Same here through YouTube. The only item I didn't include was candy. Was sick and wanted to mail this on time. Thanks for being so sweet and coming up with this idea. Hugs, Mary C. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cherish this. Just look at all the packaging. Oh my gosh, I can't get over it. And look, everything is individually wrapped. All right, so I'm assuming these are the socks. So I'll start off with the socks. Oh, how cute. Look at, oh, isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness, thank you, Mary. Look at how cute this washi tape is, and it has like all inspiration words on it. Dream, believe, never quit, do. Oh, I love this. And then the next one. Oh, look, she even put little cards on every single one of them. Something to enjoy. She knows me. Apple pumpkin. And look at the cute bag she put it in. The next one has this mini little clip. Oh, Mary, you outdid yourself. Look at the cute bag. Another little wrapping. Something to relax. Again, another cute bag. It's a bath fizzle. Look at how cute that reindeer is. Oh my gosh. And it's cookie scented. Kind of like what I sent you. And then some Bolero face masks. Cranberry and sweet orange and coconut cream and vanilla. Thank you. Aw, she also gave me a notepad. Oh my goodness. If my family could tell you now how much I use these. And it says, do not forget. Donut. Do not forget. Right there. I forget everything and I love donuts. Next one again has a cute little tag on it, gingerbread, and it says something to make you smile. Oh, you've already done that. Aww. She knows me. I love my lip gloss. Here's a close-up of the colors. How pretty is that? And then yet another package. Just look how cute. It's a Vanilla Addict body lotion and body spray. Wow, Mary, you really outdid yourself. I am so grateful for your gift. I am so grateful to have met you. Look at the inside of the box. Look how pretty. Look at that pattern. Oh my goodness. Don't forget to tune in into the playlist. I can only imagine what happiness this collaboration is going to bring to everybody. Thank you so much, Mary. Merry Christmas and bye. And the dog's whining. And it says, do not forget. No.
Do not.
Donut.
Do not forget. You know, for donut.